Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to set the power on or power off timer on your LG TV. So maybe at a certain time you want to have your TV turn on or off. So let's go to settings, click it, then click here, then wait for this to load, and then go to general, then go to system down here. Then we want to go to timer and timer. Then we have the time. Then let's go to timers. Then we have the sleep timer, set the TV to turn off automatically after a set amount of time. Power on timer, set the TV to turn on automatically at a set time. TV can be used as an alarm. Power off timer, set the TV to turn off automatically at a set time. TV is turned off at a set time on every specific day. So let's go to this, and then we can enable the function under here. And we got repeat, so we can choose the days we want to turn it off. So maybe just Tuesdays or something like that, 12 a.m. Maybe have it turn off automatically at like 2 a.m. or something like that. So we can set it right there, and then I can turn this off actually because I won't use that. And then we get auto power off down here after 4 hours. So set this. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.